Guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the thin eyebrow filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, so this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then go to discover and search for Jypsyvloggin. Okay, visit the creator profile. Check in our filter gallery. Okay, look for the filter. Yeah, this is the filter, thin eyebrows. Tap on it. Okay, you will see this preview. Now on the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see this effect icon. Or on the bottom of the screen, you will see this effect icon. Tap on use effect. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect. Okay, or you can tap on this yellow icon to visit the effect gallery. From here you can save it to your TikTok effect gallery. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here, tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.